I'm here playing Among the Sleep for the very first time. It says continue story because I just played like a minute of it. I accidentally skipped the main cutscene, so I did not like that. So I went back and now I'm gonna redo it. So don't worry about the whole continue thing. This is my first time playing. I watched H2O Delirious play this, but it was a while ago when it first came out, I believe, or somewhere along that time, and I don't remember anything about it. But this will be my second scary game playthrough on my channel. My first one is Until Dawn. Um, please go check that out. It'd be so awesome of you guys to like those videos, subscribe to me. I'm gonna try bringing you guys new videos once in a while. Try becoming a cool YouTuber. So let's go. Um, I don't. When I'm doing these videos, I really don't know what to talk about because I have like social anxiety and I'm socially awkward. So it's kind of hard for me to like talk about funny stuff or stuff related to stuff and things and stuff, you know. Um, I don't know. I guess I'll just talk as long as I play this. Like, just like, oh, look at me, I'm looking around at glass. Oh, so amazing. So
Hey,
amazing.
sweetie. Did you finish your drink already?
Fuck.
Careful. It might break.
You might break. Yeah, no shit, bitch.
Now it'll only be a minute. Mommy just has to make sure that the cake
I
is...
pick shit up. Oh. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
No, my ball. My ball. Fuck. Give me that shit.
Let's see.
I don't get this.
There
How can I even reach that
and
far?
There.
You can hear my controller clicking, I'm sorry.
Oh, look at you. You're so adorable in your tiny footed pajamas.
Bitch. Don't talk down to me. Oh, is that my cake? Oh my gosh.
Happy birthday, sweetie. Wow, 2 years today.
I don't think that's how you...
I
don't
know
think
a
you
little
can cut
someone who's ready
a
for
cake
some
like that,
cake.
especially with a spoon.
Chugga 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 choo choo.
Okay.
Here it comes through the tunnel. Choo choo.
Jesus. You could like choke me with that. You could like shove it down my fucking throat when you get startled.
I'll
You
be
bitch.
right back.
Okay. You act like you already know who that is. Give me that fucking cake. Whoa.
What are you doing?
Whoa. The fuck?
No.
The hell? Hello? Oh.
Hey, you. Look what I found. I wonder what it is.
A
Why
gun.
don't we go upstairs and find out?
Okay, let's go do that.
Oh my. How much cake did you have?
One bite. One fucking bite. Ugh. Am I gonna see something? What is that? Oh, that's so cool. What the fuck? Whoa. Mama! Turn around. There's darkness. Oh my god. Mama! Turn around. Turn around, you bitch. Wait, I swear to god I saw someone in that doorway. I could have just been on crack. So I have no idea what this game is about. So
Here
that's
we
cool.
are.
That's
now
cool.
let's see what's inside. Maybe it's a new toy.
Maybe.
Uh,
Maybe it isn't. What is it? bitch. Oh, it's a teddy bear!
Okay, sweetie. Be a dear and play for a bit.
I think that's the only thing I remember about this game is that the teddy bear is like magical and shit like that. Something. I don't know. Something like that. Alright. I am on my computer, so okay. Anyways, yes. Oh my god, it's a big ball. Get the fuck out of my way. This game is so like beautifully done. Like the artwork is one of my favorites. Well, I like people like first person shooters like oh man realism and shit. Man, I don't care about that stuff to be honest. I tend to like. Oh my god! Whoa, my computer! Oh my god! Shut up! Oh my god! Get off of that! Fuck! It was on Twitch. All right. Anyways, yeah, like stuff like this. Like I like games like this. Look at the artwork. Yeah, I love this artwork. Urgh. Whoa. Is that Chew? Hello? What the fuck? Dude, you're sketchy.
My name is Teddy. Nice to meet you. Hey,
hi.
what's your name?
I don't know. What's my name? What should I say?
Not much of a talker yet, eh?
My name is...
Let's play a game.
Fuck, I don't know. What's a good kid name? What should I name myself? I should name myself...
I know. I'll hide the pink elephant while you're not looking.
Okay.
Come here. Turn around and cover your eyes.
Wait, what? Come... I don't want to go near you. You're gonna touch me. You fucking pedo bear. Okay, I'll go to you. Fuck it, I don't need a name. I just call myself Ghost. Run! Hence, press Option to cover your eyes. Okay.
There. You can look
Whoa,
now.
what the fuck? Dude, you're so creepy! But adorable. Where did you put my fucking elephant? You fucking bastard. Don't you look down on me. That's so scary. Okay. Yeah, fuck off. Hey! I see my pink little elephant, you little fucker. God,
You found it.
no, it's mine. Fuck off. Go away.
Wow. Is that a music box? Does
Where?
it work?
This? Yes, it works. You want me to turn it on for you? Okay.
That's a nice melody.
Okay. I'll close that. In that. Just put my toy away. I need this.
What's this?
That's my book. You little fucker.
5 thirsty animals upon a dry, dry hill. We could use a drink, they sang and started to drill. Unless we reach water with our newly dug well, I think we'll have to bid each other fare thee well.
His mouth isn't even fucking moving.
Oh!
This is my train. Do you
Does
like
it run? How do you start it?
This button. There you go.
Round and round and round. Hey, Pick me up and carry me on your back. I want to show
Okay.
you something. We
Okay.
need someplace very dark.
How do I... Oh, dude, that's so sketchy. Like, you don't say
about
that shit.
your closet?
What? My closet? You want to do, like, no things to me? Is that what you want to do? How the fuck do I pick you up? Can't pick myself up. Here, get on my back. I can't pick you up, so you know what? Fuck yourself. Yep. I can't pick you up, so go fuck yourself. That is so fucking scary.
It has to be darker. Shut the doors completely.
I don't wanna. Oh my gosh. You coming?
It has to be darker. Shut the doors completely.
Okay, goodbye. Come on. How do I pick you up? I don't know how to pick you up. How do I pick you up? How the fuck do I pick you up? You little bastard. Come here. I honestly don't know how to pick you up. Do I hit start? Options. Controls. Yeah, I don't know. Fuck it. Come here. I want to pick you up, you little bastard. Fuck you then. Go in here by myself. Go away. Go away. Will you get the fuck out of here? I can't pick him up. This is my chance. Run away. Run. Whoa! What the fuck just happened? He tripped me, you little bastard. Go the fuck away. Can I pick you up? Bro, how do I pick you up? How do I pick you up? That doesn't do anything. I honestly don't know why I can't pick him up. That's weird. Can I pick you up? How do I pick you up? How do I pick you up? I honestly don't know why I can't pick him up. I mean, wasn't it R1? Yeah, because like R1, you're supposed to grab things, and I can't pick him up. Eat this, bitch. Okay, so you stay there, and I'm quickly gonna go over here and shut the doors.
Good. This will do nicely.
Okay.
I hope there are no monsters in here.
Shut the fuck up.
If you ever feel scared in a dark place like this, you can hug me tightly.
How?
You might feel a little bit safer.
How do I do that?
I don't think we're supposed to be here.
So apparently I have him.
Careful. I don't like this.
This is so scary. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Did you hear that?
Yes, I did. It's like fucking Coraline.
Something's coming.
Whoa.
There you are.
What,
are you
girl?
doing in the closet? Oh, are you playing with your new friend?
Don't touch him.
Hello,
He's my
Mr.
husband.
Bear.
My husband by her-
Nice to meet you.
by her husband.
How are you today? You've got to stop hiding from Mommy. I hope you had a good birthday, hon.
I did.
Mommy
It was
would be
great.
very sad if you didn't.
I'm sorry.
And now it's time for bed.
Oh, now the fucking closet's normal and shit.
If you go to sleep now, you can wake up early tomorrow and play with your friend.
Really? I have a
All
friend?
day.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Every little boy and girl are sleeping now, all over the world. And they're
Really?
waiting just
Because
for
it
you.
looks like it's daytime.
We shouldn't keep them. Good night, hon. Sweet dreams.
Bam! I fell asleep. What the fuck? Oh, I don't like this at all. This is too sketchy. Is Mama closing my door? Oh, bear! What's happening to my bear? No, my bear! What the fuck? Oh my gosh, what? This is so sketchy, I don't like this. Whoa! You fucking asshole. Hello. Hello? I don't know what to do. I'm pretty sure Teddy's in there. Oh, Teddy!
Thank you. Something's not right. We need to find your
Wait, I
mother.
gotta plug this back in. I gotta be a good boy and plug that back in. And you go. Fuck it. Hello? What the fuck? What the fuck is that? I don't like this. Hello?
We have to be very quiet. You don't know what might be listening.
like this one bit. Come on. Come on. Come on. Fuck. This is scary. Hello? Hello? Oh my god. Huh? What the fuck? What? Let's turn into woods. What the hell? Oh hell no. I don't want to do this. Was that supposed to happen? What the fuck? I'm so confused. Oh, do I need one of these? No? Mama. Oh my god, it's not even gonna be her.
She's not here.
Get under her bed, get under her bed. Oh my god. This game is so fucking scary. Oh my god. What the fuck is that? That just gave me a fucking heart attack. Oh my gosh. What What the fuck? I don't appreciate this shit at all. I don't like scary games. They give me... What the fuck is in there? Hello? Whoa.
What is this?
Can you see your reflection?
It's her, but it seems more like a memory.
Do I go down here? I guess I do. Alright. Fuck. So far that fucking thing scared the fuck out of us. Made us go through the whole house thinking we're fucking hearing shit throughout the entire house. Scary as fuck.
Are you alright?
What the fuck? Where are we? Yo, what's that?
Whoa. What is this place?
Hell, probably? I'm guessing. I love the artwork, but I think there's gonna be this fucking scary.
A playhouse? What's that doing here?
This is a playhouse. Hello?
Is it locked?
Yeah.
I might be able to open it from the inside
Alright.
if you help me up.
Get in there, boy. Oh, look at those flowers.
Look
Oh.
at this place.
Ugh. Open it. Open it.
Listen. There it is again. It sounds like it's coming from behind this door. There must be a way to open it. It seems like these are connected somehow.
Hey, I'm pretty sure I can grab this. Can I? No? Oh, maybe it's this one? No.
Maybe it requires some sort of key. Is there anything we can use?
This. Perhaps. Oh, shit.
Look. What happened? Why didn't it open? Let's find a way to open it.
Sounds good to me, boy.
What did you find? It's rather small, but it looks like my paws might fit.
Stick your paw right in there.
Aha! It's
The
a
hell?
button. That's it.
Hey, I gotta put my toys away first. Can't go anywhere.
It seems like the memory you
I'm
shared
just gonna close this door.
unlocked the door.
Okay.
Maybe if we can find more memories like this,
Oh, yeah, I bet I can grab this
it
one.
might bring us to her.
Nope.
It looks like we need 3 more.
Alright,
I wonder where this will take us.
you ready to go, my little
And to be
fluffykins?
honest, it scares me a bit.
Scares
But
you?
don't worry.
You're crazy.
I'll do my best to keep you safe.
Yeah, you fucking better
Pick
keep
me
me
up
safe.
whenever you're ready to go.
It's garbage. Going into a scary game. Garbage, brah. It's garbage. I don't like scary games. Like Pete Eve, a part where the girl, oh, I'm burping, drink soda. Part when the girl jumps out of a fucking door or freaked me the fuck out. I screamed, threw my controller on the ground, walked away. Fuck that shit. I ain't having that shit.
Well, this doesn't look too bad. I hope the memory is close
See,
by.
they need to make games like this art style, this like layout like that. Like, look how beautiful that is. They make games like this, not scary though. Games like this where nothing really happens, you just explore. But like here and there, you have to like solve a puzzle. You have to like, you know, talk to someone, find something, all that good stuff. Ring around the rosy, pockets full of daisies, asses, ashes, ashes. Whoa, what the hell is that down there?
Whoa, over there. It looks like another memory across that bridge.
Okay, how do we get there, bruh? This way? Hell yeah, slide.
Is there a way up
Another
this
one.
tower?
Okay, I have an idea. I think. Okay, now get up on this and alright, still too light to hold me. I think there's gonna be one in here. Okay. What the hell? What the fuck is that? What the fuck?
Shh. We should be careful.
What the fuck opened the door? I don't fucking like this at all. What the fuck is this? That's fucking creepy. Ooh, a shovel. Can I grab that? Do I need it or no? I don't think I need it. Where the fuck am I going? It's okay, Teddy. I'll keep you safe. I don't like this fucking game at all. I'm sorry if I'm not really talking, guys. When it comes to these games and I get scared, that's so fucked up, dude. Hello? That's scary. I kind of like it, though. Should I make that, like, my YouTube logo right there? That thing seems pretty fucking cool. Okay, goodbye. Hello? Oh, god damn it. Hit myself in the head. Hello? There's a piece of paper right here. Um, so if you guys like me playing these games, let me know by liking the videos and subscribing. Well, that was not there before. That was up there. I am kind of a new YouTuber in a way. I mean, I'm on YouTube like, what the fuck? Like, I'm on YouTube every day of my life, like, constantly on YouTube. Constantly watching, my favorite YouTubers like Jack Frags, Frankie on PC. I have to get rid of, okay, so I have to somehow, there we go, right? Grab this, bring it up here. Yeah. That thing's moving down there. Fuck me. Come here. Get your fucking ass up. I'm gonna hide in here. Can I hide in here? No? Please don't hurt me. I'm just gonna walk by. Okay. Goodbye. So, yeah, I keep losing my track of talking because this game just gets me distracted. Not this game, but... Oh my gosh, what's that sound? What's that sound? What's that sound? What is that? Knock it the fuck off. But, playing games and commentating, right? Commentating? Or talk, well, I'm just gonna say talking because I don't know if commentating is the right word to use. But while I'm trying to play a game and talk, it's kind of like, I don't know, because like I get mad focused when I start playing games, because like games, especially games like this, like, the fuck? Because games like this, you gotta be like on your toes constantly. Did I follow it? Should I follow it? I don't think I'm gonna follow it. I think I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna close the gate. And go fuck yourself. Okay, sounds good. But yeah, like, I usually would be talking more if I was playing like a game with friends or something like that, because I wouldn't be so focused and all that stuff. But when it comes to games like this, I just get mad focused, because one, I don't want to die. Two, I gotta make sure I don't run into a fucking monster. And three, I just sometimes just don't have anything to say, and I apologize if you guys don't like that. I'll try my best to work on it. I'll try to become funnier and more talkative, and try to talk about cool stuff like, hey, did you hear about fucking Star Wars? Oh, a good movie, huh? And we got about 20 minutes left until Christmas is officially over. It is almost midnight. That fucking thing's just walking around down there. Ain't gonna get me though. Not gonna get me though. Can I ride his bike? No. Should I just like tiptoe? Ride. Whoa. Alright.
Alright then. One more time.
Mama!
But that's it.
No, Mama, come back to me. There's a monster. trying to eat me.
Oh, finally. We
That's
must be
cool.
getting closer.
I don't know what's scarier, like being hunted down by a random monster or her humming. Because her humming is kind of fucking scary. Like, knock that shit off. Knock that shit off. Alright. Back here.
We made it back.
Is this like a safe zone? I hope so, because that little... Come here. Come here, little bastard. Pet. Get on my back. Do I have to pet him on the head, like, every time I pick him up? Do I have to?
We have to find a way to safety. Find a way out of this mess.
Hey. I left this door closed. Who's fucking with my door?
Your mother.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
She must be so worried about you.
Okay.
But don't be afraid.
Hey, dang.
You and me will work this
Someone's
all
messing with
out
all my fucking
together.
toys. You fuckers.
I know we will. Well, you know the ropes by now.
I do know ropes by now. I don't like them. I just made my mic an accident. Anyways. Anything in here hidden? No. Okay. Do I have anything? I do have something. Okay. Get down my way. Get down my way, Teddy. Move. There you go. Crank that shit. Wait, no. There we go. Now these better stay in there. Do I like if I like not beat, but like if I fill these two up and just go through all these levels, do I beat the game? Is the game that short? I don't even know.
Yes, she sounds clearer now, don't you think?
Yeah.
Come on, we have no time to lose.
Alright, I think I'm gonna end it
She's
here. It's been about 42 minutes, maybe a little bit more. It could have been like 45 minutes. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like, subscribe. I'll bring part 2 probably the next night or another day or two from now. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll pick it up from here next time. Say goodbye, Teddy. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.